is the Beast, Nick Gerard. Sure, I guess it is. From Winery. And the purple one in the back is Megan Athens. A really nice looking little Megan.
Gotta quit?
And right now, it looks like rig number 23, the Beast, Nick Gerard, is in the lead. Derek Vogel second, Megan third. Round the corner. Good example what these lawnmower guys can do. Round the corner, shifting gears, just to go one more time. Megan bigging up the rear. Big wide circle for Megan. Here. Megan, where are you going, girl? Oh, they got a shifter. Get him, Megan. Get him. Out of goal. Yeah, he's going to second place here. So now Derek's in the lead. Megan's second. He's having shift racing down there with the Beast. Nick Gerard from Wainwright. He's sponsored by Cardiac Chemicals. Pretty darn close there to smacking those bales. Now Derek's up to something here, some no good, I'm thinking. He's handing out some lawnmower fanatics, Alberta organization stickers to the kids down there is what's happening. And we have some